Everybody, Gabe Jenkins back with you. Hope you're having a great day. Coming to you from the CCA, the College and Career Accelerator, accelerating your future. Hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be working on SolidWorks sketch number 5. Again, we're just getting used to trying to make the transition between AutoCAD and SolidWorks by starting off just by sketching, just making sure we understand how all the two-dimensional sketch tools work. So that's what we're working on here. You've already done number 2 and number 3, and this is number 5. And so you're going to see the process is very similar to the process we used in AutoCAD. It's just the buttons are in different places, my friends. All right, so I'm going to be making this. I'm going to start off with a new part. And again, I like to draw on the top plane if it's something like this, but it doesn't really matter. All right. What is important is that you anchor this in some way, starting off by anchoring your drawing, your sketch, somehow to the origin, because that helps all of the lines to be fully defined, because AutoCAD should have an easier time understanding exactly where each element is relative to the origin. So I'm going to start off by doing this circle here and this circle. I'm going to start off with several circles, right? So I'm going to center them here, make the big one. That's going to take up most of the space. I'll make it like that big. And make a smaller one on the inside. I'm going to dimension those two things so you can just see what they are. First one has a dimension of 8.4. Okay, the outer one has a dimension radius of 8, means that the diameter is 16. Okay, so that's going to form this top part of this arc and that arc down there. Next, I'm going to make a construction line out, and I'm going to make this little circle and another circle. So again, I think this process is very similar to how we did it in AutoCAD. I'm going to start on my origin, make sure it's a perfectly horizontal line, and it's going to go out half of 16, so that's going to go out, or half of 32, so that's going to be 16. It's pretty close, pretty good guesstimate. Now I could just mirror this about, just like we did on that last video, right? Cool. Now I got that one going up there. I don't have to dimension it. Hope I don't have to dimension it. Sometimes I have to. I'm not really sure exactly why. I'm going to make this little circle and another one. So the little circle has diameter 2, and then the bigger one has a radius of 2, or a diameter of 4. So I'm going to go like boom, and the bigger one there. So we go inside one has a diameter of 2, and the outer one has a diameter of 4. I'm going to zoom out a little bit so we can see. Okay, so now we know that this is going to attach to here as a tangent. So let's do this. I want to show you this. If you click online and you just hover, if I just click here, it's going to attach my line to wherever I click. But if I hover over it, hover over that circle, it didn't do it. All right. I'm going to hover here. You see, if I hover over here, if you look just to the right of my pencil, you're going to see a little yellow box with a circle and a diagonal line next to it. That's the signifier for tangent. So these two elements, if I click right here, it's going to understand that I'm trying to draw a tangent line, that this line should be tangent to the circle. I'm going to click here and let go. Now, it's not sure yet if this one is tangent yet. So if I click here, hit the control button, and click this circle, it's going to allow me to make a geometric relationship between these two elements. I want it to be tangent. So you can see I clicked on both those things. Now they're light blue. All of these are things I can do to them. You can see over here the same kind of relationships I can add, right? So I'm going to click on tangent, and then now it knows that those two things should be tangent. Okay? So turn black. It knows the starting point. It knows the end point. I'm going to use the mirror tool to make copies of this. So if I click this, hit mirror entities, boom. I want to mirror it about. Sure, I'll go down first. That seems fine. Great. Now I'm going to click it, hit control again, and I'm going to hit mirror again, and now I'm going to flip it over this side. Oh, down in here. All right. Now, almost done, right? If I click this, and I mirror those two things, about that plane as well. I'm really close to finishing this whole shape, right? Now all I have to do is make these guys right here. I see that it's six units from the top line to the bottom line, and that the inside arc has a radius of 10, the out one has a radius of 11. I'm going to make my circles first, okay? I'm going to make one circle that goes out to like here, and another circle that goes out a little bit less than that. Now I'm going to dimension them. This one will say the outer one, say the outer one has a diameter of 22, and the inner one is going to have a diameter of 20. All right, now let me just trim some of this stuff away so it's easier to kind of focus on what I'm trying to do here. Now, the top line to the bottom line is going to be, it's 6, so it's 3 up and 3 down. So I can take this line right here and I can offset it, right? If I click here and hit offset, I can go bidirectional, and I'm going to go 3. I'm going to go 3 up and 3 down. Okay, so I've clicked on bidirectional, and the distance from the original line is 3. Hit OK. Awesome. Now I got the top line, the bottom line, everything is set. I can just trim away the parts I don't want. I don't want that, that, that. Get rid of that part, that part, that part, that part, that part. It's a lot of trimming. It's okay. Oh. Now it's a little confused. You're gonna see it's a little confused because I took off the dimensions that said I wanted it to be 3 up and 3 down. I didn't mean to do that. I just accidentally cut those things. So I'm going to redimension it. I'm going to say from here to here is 3. Great. And from here to here is 3. Great. And from here to here is 3. And from here to here is also 3. Cool. All right, let me trim away the last couple things I don't want. I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want that. All right. All right, everybody. So that is our shape. I hope you have a good time with it, and we're getting used to SolidWorks, and I hope this was a good one for you.